This is a view of our campsite at Pearrygin Lake, Washington during our NATCOA truck camper meetup. And that is Pearrygin Lake in the background, where I did do some fishing with no luck. And we will also be making French toast for breakfast in this video.
Alrighty, it is Sunday morning, and quite a few of the truck camper group have left. There are two neighbors next to us. The third one is still there. And if you look down here, there's three others that have left there. And then we've got some other friends. Those are our friends with Host Mammoth and a Dodge 5500 flatbed. And I think that's about the end of it there. But yeah, his setup is just a beauty. Let me see if I can get a little better image on that. Crank up the gain. Yeah, it looks like they're getting ready to head out. I have to go over and say howdy. So yeah, oops. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. And there is the lake this morning. I fished there last night with no luck. Okay, so let me finish my coffee here in my 40th anniversary torque lift coffee mug.
This is out on the dock in Pearrygin Lake, and unfortunately the audio did not record during this video for some reason. So there you see me fishing aggressively on the dock without any such luck. It's a really nice campground though, and very serene. Unfortunately, we do not have that audio of this scene for you.
Hello and welcome to today's exciting episode of Iron Truck Camper Chef. Today's challenge is breakfast, and we are going to make Ziploc bag French toast. We have a couple of Italian sausages right there ready to go, and now we're going to make our French toast. So how do we do that? We've got our Ziploc bag, and we've got eggs. We are going to take 4 of those and put 4 eggs into the Ziploc. Yes, you too can learn to one-hand crack eggs. And we needed 4 eggs because we've got 4 pieces of French toast. Then we are going to get some milk and just kind of put in about a 1/4 cup like that. Next step, over here to the pantry, and we grab some salt. And I'm going to need about that much salt right there. And then we grab a little bit of vanilla extract. And we're just going to put in a little bit of vanilla extract, right? Maybe a teaspoon like that. Then I'm going to put in just a little bit of sugar. Right about that, 2 tablespoons. So 2, just like that. Okay, let's ziplock our bag. And then we're gonna shake it up. Okay, so what, you want cinnamon in it?
Yes, please.
Okay, the female has requested cinnamon. Cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice?
Cinnamon.
Okay, so as the female has requested, the female shall receive a couple of shakes of cinnamon. And let us give it a quick reshake. Make sure all that stuff is mixed. I already did the cinnamon. Okay, so we are making cinnamon pancakes for the cinnamon girl. Then we have our 4 slices of bakery fresh Como bread. And we're just going to dump all of that in there. And then we're just going to tumble it around and let everything get some egg and soak it up. Squish the bread around a little bit. Don't smash it, just squish it to help it absorb. Work that air out of the bread. So we are pretty much already, everything is already soaked up. Okay, very good. That was quick and easy. We like quick and easy here on the Iron Truck Camper Chef cooking show. Really big shoe. Okay. And we have here a couple of Italian sausages that we cooked earlier to go with. Okay, let's just wipe out some of the grease here before my hand gets fried. Okay. Got a little bit of butter here, so I'll just open up the end of the stick and rub it on our pan to get that oiled up nicely. Turn the heat up to 5, about medium heat. And here we go. Let us start putting some French toast in the pan. Okay, so let's let these two cook for a minute. Maybe turn the heat up a shade. All right, let us plate. There we go. Our French toast is ready. And we'll put on a little bit of syrup. And now we shall present breakfast to our secret judge behind the curtain. Okay, secret judge, what do you think? Secret judge?
You're not expecting me to come out of
No, you're the secret judge behind the curtain, so take a taste of your French toast and tell the audience what you think of your French toast. We're waiting for the secret judge.
Pause.
The secret judge is getting into position.
The hand of his complete.
Okay, secret judge, what do you think?
Delicious.
And there you go. The secret judge says re-ricious. The secret judge loves French toast.
It's really good with the caramel bit.
Mm-hmm.
And the touch of cinnamon.
Okay. So this here batch is a little broken up, but it's the taste that counts.
Well, this bread, when we made sandwiches with it the other day,
Yeah.
it's just full of so many air pockets. It's hard to.
Well, it absorbed all the egg really well.
It did help make it stay together.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you make a sandwich out of this loaf, it tended to fall apart a bit.
Well, the crust holds up well, but the bread inside with the air pockets tends to break free.
Yeah.
And the cinnamon, how's the cinnamon?
Delicious.
Re-ricious. I love you, George.
Like that little dog.
Oh, here it comes. Here's Archibald. What do you think, Archie? Smells like human food. Unsuitable. Unsuitable for cats.
You should not be critiquing with the sound of a dog voice.
Mm-hmm.
You should be saying things like, it's meowrific.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Archie says I should be talking like a cat, not like a dog. Dogs are ridiculous. What do you think, Arch? Talk to the butt. Talk to the butt. He's found a spot that he likes between his food, the step, and the cab. Hey, boy. Hey, what you doing? Archibald. Archibald. What you doing, bud? Archibald. I think he's trying to work his way up to his mom. Wanna go sick your mom? There, go sick your mom. Go sick your mom.
Archie.
There you go. Go get your mom.
Hey, kitty.
Atta boy.
What's that? One bite?
Alright, I think we can attempt a flip here.
Like a bit.
Yeah?
More than he didn't recoil in the sky.
Okay, this is going to be a big flip.
Probably
Look at that. That was a flip. What's he doing?
I'm holding the sausage up to his nose and he's doing that.
Oh, sniffulating.
Well, you know how he has his eyes kind of half closed going, ooh, what is that?
Okay, so that is some good looking French toast. Just gonna let it cook a few more minutes.
The exquisite silverware tongue on the fork is great.
Oh. Yes, plastic forks do have their weakness. They're
Trying
not,
to cut through the crust.
plastic forks are not strong enough to be able to withstand a girl with French toast.
Crust.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
All right, what do we got here? Okay. Put some syrup on there and see how it is.
The sausages are really good dipped in this syrup.
And they're Italian. Had to use up our Italian stuff. Boy, that's good. So there you go. That is a quick and easy French toast, cinnamon French toast, made right here in Truck Camper Kitchen Stadium with the help of the Iron Truck Camper Chef. I hope you enjoyed today's delicious breakfast, and we will see you again on the next video.
This is the entry gate to the Silverline Resort RV Park, and these are some bonus pictures. This is the view out the back of our truck camper across the lake, and this is a field, just pretty landscape out there. This is the road coming into where we are camped, and that is another view looking out across the field. And this is up the hill looking down at our truck camper and the lake and the dock. And this is the other dock where they have the boat launch. That's looking up at our truck camper, and you can see a few of the other truck campers in the picture. And that's our truck camper again with me sitting at the table just enjoying the view. And this is just a pretty reflection off the lake. That's me getting ready to do some fishing. And there I am intently fishing. You can see my line floating on the water, and this is a panoramic shot Kelly took with her phone camera, just turning around so you can see everything around there. And again, here is me fishing unsuccessfully. And there is Archie taking a nap with all of his friends. One more view of the truck camper in our spot. Beautiful spot. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next video, and never mind the sound of the alarm.